Hare Krishna. So we are on a very, very important verse from the Gita. On the 40th shloka of the second chapter, Krishna says, Neha bhikramana shosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Krishna says, in this endeavor there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. Krishna says, anyone who works for me, anyone who works for my pleasure or my fulfillment, there is no loss or diminution. Whatever one does is stored in an eternal account. It is like, say suppose a person wants to be a PhD. So he must work right from Baba Black Sheep ABCD to 5th standard. He should complete his high school, then higher secondary, then graduation, post graduation, PhD full. अगर समझ लीजिए वो PhD करने के लिए जा रहा है और उसका जब फाइनल वाइवा है तब उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया और वो मर गया, तो क्या उसे PhD का सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा? उसका थीसिस कंप्लीट हो गया, बट जस्ट बिफोर हिज फाइनल वाइवा he dies. He doesn't get a PhD. Krishna consciousness is not like this. Srila Prabhupada explains that whatever one does in this life, say suppose 10%, next life that soul will begin from 11. The next life the soul starts from, says he starts from 11, he goes till 50. The third life he will begin from 51. In this way, whatever one does is stored in an eternal account that Krishna has in his heart. So Neha bhikramana shosti, little bit we endeavor, there is no loss or diminution. Srila Prabhupada in the purport quotes from Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st canto, 5th chapter, 17th shloka. Tyaktva swadharmam charanambujam harer bhajam apakvotha patet tato yadi yatra kva abhadram abhud amushyakim ko vartha apto bhajatam swadharmatah. He says, Tyaktva swadharmam charana ambujam harer. So we have seen repeatedly previously that everyone has two duties, swadharma and paradharma. Swadharma is the dharma or the duty that is related to the body. Paradharma is the duty that is related to soul, the duty that we have towards Krishna. So Tyaktva swadharmam, even if one gives up his material duties, for what? Charanam bujam harer भजन, भगवान कृष्ण के चरण कमलों की सेवा के लिए, बस भगोड़े की तरफ भागने के लिए नहीं. For a higher cause, a lower cause can be given up. Higher cause is paradharma and swadharma can be given up for paradharma. So tyaktva swadharmam charana ambujam harer bhajan apakvota, वो परिपक्व नहीं हुआ भजन, पतेत ततो यदि. Even if one falls down, a jiva is not able to complete his bhajan, he falls down from his spiritual standard. Bhagavat says, yatra kva abhadra. कौन सी बहुत बुरी बात होगी, कौन सी असौभाग्यशाली बात होगी? अभुदमुष्य किम, कोई बात नहीं है. Next life he will continue. Whatever he has gone, next life he will continue. On the contrast, Bhagavatam says, ko vartha apto bhajatam swadharmatah. As swadharma, one does so much for himself, his body, his senses, his family, extended relatives. They are called apta. So for all these apta, he is doing so much, and even if everything is perfect, ko va arth, mila kya? केवल पुण्य और पाप के श्रृंखला में वो बंध गया और कुछ नहीं मिला। और ये पुण्य की पाप की श्रृंखला उसे कहां लेके जाएगी? पुनरपि जन्म पुनरपि मरणम पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयरम, यहीं पर लेके जाएगी। इसीलिए आप कुछ भी अच्छा या बुरा कीजिए, द सर्कल कंप्लीट्स इन अ मदर्स वूम्ब। इसीलिए इसे संसार कहा जाता है। सम सार, सार इज एसेंस, सम मीन्स कंप्लीट और इक्वल एसेंस। जो कुछ भी हम इस भौतिक जगत में पुण्य और पाप की दृष्टि से करते हैं, केवल एक मां के गर्भ में हमें लेके जाएगा। लेकिन अगर हम भगवान के चरण कमलों का आश्रय लेकर के बुद्धि योग में कार्य करें, जैसे भगवान अर्जुन को बता रहे हैं, one will be able to transcend material nature and be engaged in Krishna's service. Srila Prabhupada says, what is the greatest fear? What is the greatest fear? The greatest fear for a living entity who has got this human form of life is to glide down again in animalistic species. So Krishna assures, Srila Prabhupada says, that one does or one takes some steps in this direction in spiritual consciousness. What is guaranteed at least is next life, a human form of birth, from where the chain of disciplic service, the chain of Krishna's service can be carried forward. A very, very cardinal principle from Bhagavad Gita. Do always keep this in mind. Also, today we are declaring the result of the quiz that we had conducted. Do watch, your name might be there. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna